Somewhere along the way, business owners accepted a lie. That as your business grows, it's normal that it becomes more stressful. It's obvious, right? You have more employees, more meetings, more problems, more hours, more chaos. Now, I don't believe that it's normal or to be expected. In fact, I believe the opposite. A well-designed business should become easier to run as it grows, not harder. Now, if your company is becoming more difficult to lead with every new employee or every additional $1 million of revenue, growth isn't the problem. Growth is simply exposing your weaknesses that were already there. And the reason is because the systems that got you to 2 million won't get you to 10 million. The leadership style that worked with 10 employees often breaks down on the way to 40. The processes that lived comfortably in your head become bottlenecks for everyone else. Too many companies respond to this by adding more people, more meetings, and more layers of management. Now, what the best companies do is something different. They redesign the business. They build leaders instead of creating more managers. They replace heroics with systems. They eliminate friction instead of adding complexity. Walk into a struggling company and you'll usually find urgency everywhere. Walk into a truly scalable company and you'll notice something different. It feels calm. Not because people care less, but because the business was intentionally designed to operate that way. Now, here's the question every CEO should be asking. As my company grows, is it becoming more dependent on me or less? Because the goal isn't to build a bigger business. The goal is to build a business that becomes stronger, more valuable, and easier to lead as it grows. That's what real scale looks like. Now, if you'd like to figure out how to redesign your business, go ahead and click on the link to schedule a quick 15-20 minute call to learn more.